Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Beamer Dude channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. As you can see, we are not in the Beamer Dude garage. We're currently on the road because we're going to drop off something special at the powder coaters. You don't want to miss out, so stay tuned. So guys, if you watched the last video, you know that I was in the beginning stages of building some three-piece wheels for the E36 M3. As you know that I'm using the Cosmos wheels, and I had to use quite large spacers to actually make them fit the kit. Now, it works fine and well, and I'm not having any issues, and I did buy high-quality spacers and adapters, so I'm not really having problems there, but it is widely spread and widely known on the internet through all the internet scientists out there that using spacers on your car is not only not safe, it's not good for your wheel bearings. So I decided to take on this endeavor, first time ever, to build a set of wheels, custom spec for the car. That way things fit the way they should, and I don't have to use spacers or adapters or anything like that. That being said, for those of you guys that follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been going back and forth on color choices. Given the fact that I'm running the British Racing Green color, choosing a wheel choice is critical. I think I got really lucky with the white on green combination, which I can only give credit to my wife for that, because I wanted to do something totally different. But choosing a color other than white is kind of outside my comfort zone. So I did a poll, a couple polls on my story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you really should follow me there. It's a great way to interact with the channel. In between the videos, in between my ideas for videos, I actually get a lot of my ideas from Instagram. So if you're not following me there, that's Beamer Dude on Instagram with 1M. Follow me there, you won't miss a beat, and you won't be clueless when these videos actually come out. So moving on to the purpose of today's video, I've actually taken the face and the lips off the wheels themselves, and since I'm only really caring about the front end of the wheels, I'll probably just paint the inner barrel probably black or flat black or something. I'm not really worried about that at this time, but I'm sending the faces off to Clutch City Customs, or Clutch City Coatings, excuse me, in Houston, Texas. They seem to be pretty reputable. They are on the north side of town, so driving out to the north side during my lunch break is probably not the most ideal thing, but since it is right around since Christmas is right around the corner, I want to make sure that I get this done and get this to them, because they're probably going to close up shop for Christmas and Christmas Eve, and I want them to at least have the equipment, or at least have the wheels in their possession so they can work on them first thing on Wednesday morning. All right, guys, so it's been about a week and a half since the beginning of this vlog. I figured I didn't want to bore you guys with all the ins and outs of me communicating, nasty bump there, with Clutch City Customs, but I got the call. I'm supposed to pick up the wheels at 3 p.m. because my powder coater, he has to leave to go take care of something, so he asked me to be there 3 o'clock sharp. So we're right down the street, about 3 minutes away from the shop. I'm not going to do too much filming indoors because he didn't expect me to record and he wants to clamp a little bit. So we'll probably be doing a lot more with him. So if you guys are interested in powder coating, I can leave his information down in the description down below. It's Clutch City Customs in Houston, Texas. He sent me some pictures. I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but I do want you guys to see it the first time that I see it. So I'll get back on the recording when we get closer. So I'll see you guys in a second. His dope Jeep. See some of the work he's done right there. We're gonna go ahead and look at this thing here. We are about a minute and a half early, so let me show you guys this Jeep. Sick. Jeez, look at that. That is hot. Not really my taste, but that is a testament to the work that's being done here. So, yeah. Like I said, I'll leave his information down in the description down below. If you guys want to get something done, he gave me a really fair price, and he's pretty quick about it. So, let's do it. So I am waiting on him to tell me that I can come back and see the wheels. I'm pretty excited. You guys can't tell right now, I'm a little shaky, so I'm sure he'll let me know in a few minutes. We'll go back and look at the wheels.
Want a sneak peek?
Yeah. Ooh. So before I show you guys the wheels, I want to take a second and let you guys know that there's an all new way to support the channel. As you guys know, there is the Beamer Dude Automotive Garage, and you guys are awesome at supporting me there. But if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know this already, that the first official merchandise drop for 2019 starts today. So if you're watching this video, that means that it's live now. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies, we have long sleeves, you name it. We've got a few things out there right now, and this is a campaign style. So the moment that we sell 5 items, they all go into production, guys. So it's for the size of our channel right now, since we're not very big, I don't really have the funds to kind of like buy it all at once and wait for you guys to buy it at your leisure. So this is a campaign style. I don't make that much, but I do make a little bit. So make sure you guys stop by the Beamer Dude Automotive Garage. I will be listing all the merchandise there. You can pick it up for yourself and support the channel. The way this works is pretty simple. You guys buy an item, buy a t-shirt or a hoodie, something. Once we sell 5 items, they go in production, and you won't get charged until we hit 5 purchases. So share it to your friends, anybody that's actually watching the channel. Help support the channel, help support these builds. So let's get back and let me show you the wheels. Man. I don't know if you guys can see, the color is really dark. It's really dark in here right now, you can't really see. When the light hits this, it's kind of a darker matte bronze with the Casper clear over it. So it's gonna kind of make the darker bronze pop. No, you guys probably wanted me to do the gold, but that's not really my style, and I think this is gonna look a lot better. Ooh. Oh, the lip. Oh man. Bro, that sheen on it. Oh my gosh.
In the picture that you sent me, I think it was just a single stage flat color.
Yeah.
So we used the bronze chrome, and then we went over that with the Casper clear. So that's why it gives it that crazy sheen that you see. Right there, that purplish. Yep. And that's just in this low light that we're in right now. Exactly. And that color right there, I don't even know which lip I like better, because you can see more of the color there, but that right there. Yeah, so the color, this color flip-flops, man. Whenever it's a single stage, it has a gloss to it, and you can actually see that it has like almost, it has silver flakes in it, bronze flakes in it, gold flakes in it, like it has a whole bunch of different colors. Yeah, I'm trying to capture all the different like sheens. Oh yeah, wait till you pull it out in the sunlight. That's when it's gosh. Yeah, I think this was the right choice. Because I think when I sent you, it was a lot more gold in it. But I mean, I'll take advice from a person that works with color, for a living, over my initial taste. Because let's say I was just like a comfortable color. Everybody goes with the gold, and it's kind of like a real comfortable color to choose, because green and gold obviously they go together. But no one really like does this. Yeah. I think I've seen it on like a Workmeister before. So the bronze chrome. It's a prismatic color, but I've seen a lot of people use it to mimic bronze burst that comes on like the Forged Star wheel. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So in a single stage, it mimics that color. Now when you add the Casper clear on top of I painstakingly got them organized in the car. As you can see, I have one sitting up here with me because it was the only place I could put the last face. It really ran out of space here in the back.
I got everything pretty separated pretty well. I had a shop towel back there, a shop blanket, moving blanket. I probably should have brought two since I had to, but it's fine. We'll just take it easy going home, get these babies home, and I promise you guys, I'll mount one. Well, maybe not mount, but I will put one together so you guys can see how they look, all assembled with at least the face and the lips. So, got about a 45-minute drive to get back to my side of town, and it's traffic time now, so yay. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we did make it home, as you can see, safe and sound. None of the wheels got damaged, and I'm really happy because it was kind of sketchy driving around. I heard a couple tinks, a couple noises, a couple bangs in the back of the car while I was driving, but lo and behold, we got home, everything seems fine. So I did assemble one of the wheels so you can see it with the hardware. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to mount it to the car for the sake of time, and I do need to edit today's video for you guys. So before you guys go, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wheels. Hope you guys like them. Here they are. Guys, so those are the wheels. I hope you guys like the color. I really am in love with this color. It is very unconventional for me. I'm kind of outside my comfort zone when it comes to this whole color scheme, so I'm really leaning on you guys out there, and also my wife, because this was kind of her idea, this whole color scheme here. So I'm relying on you guys and her to let me know if I make a mistake here with some of my color choices. Now, I originally thought that doing this color, I was going to have to change the color of my brake calipers. As you guys know, we did a whole video and I painted the calipers, my 911 calipers, and I actually think that this color is actually going to go really well with it. So let me know down in the comments, guys, what you think about the color choice that I made. Obviously, it's kind of too late and then the color is already chosen, but if you like it, let me know down in the comments down below. If you dislike it, say something as well. I want to thank you guys for watching today's video. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you guys for watching the Beamer Dude channel, and as always, guys, peace out and Godspeed.